Before I walk to Durban, I just want to say thank you to the incredible people sponsoring this journey. Your support is what makes all of this possible. And of course, there's always room for more hearts to join this journey. If that's you, I'd love to connect. Sponsor a kilometer. Scan to support. Walk for Lyra.